Welcome to how to earn money from Facebook and Instagram tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from Facebook by selling a service. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So how does that work? So if you are a skilled person and have a skill like video editing and any other skill, you can join groups like a video editing group or any other skill. So as you see in this group, you can find a lot of businesses and people who needs video editors or people that are promoting for themselves to be hired. So Facebook with these type of groups make it easier for people to find people to work with. But the only thing, you need to be so fast so that people won't take the job before you. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.